The time check is, what time did it mate?
What time?
Yeah.
It is 6:38.
Time check is 6:38 in the evening. I'm about to ride the DLR 72 Canary Wharf from Stratford, so in your own time, mate.
Just want to introduce on board the DLR tonight, Andrew Magnus. If you like to follow him on YouTube, Andrew Magnus, you'll appreciate that very much.
Thank you.
No problem.
So 12 minutes to get to Canary Wharf.
12 and a half. Once we get going, 12 and a half.
Yeah. Thanks for doing that.
That's alright, mate, no problem.
100%. I've never had a shout out from a DLR before. Until tonight. I'm very happy. I'm going to take you and say thank you to a legendary DLR star.
Thank you very much.
What's your name, by the way?
Jamie.
Jamie. Can I take you as a special guest?
Yeah. No
Thank
worries.
you.
No worries.
What's your surname? I don't know your surname now. I need to...
Kemp Coles. K-E.
Can you write it down for me?
I'll do it right now for you. Let me just get the train moving. Stand clear, doors closing, stand clear.
Okay, we should be going in your own time. Give me some horns as well. Cheers.
When we stop at the next station, I'll write my name down for you.
Thanks for the horn there.
That's alright, mate.
I'm going to do two routes tonight, this one and the one to Woolwich afterwards. So then you'll be, if you're going on that one, I'll be very happy.
I won't be on that one. I'm on Beckton Tower Gateway, second half.
Wow. Not bad at all. Stop will be Cousin Mill Lane. Where did we leave the road into the main line so it's down south? Thank you.
No problem.
100% legend. Next stop is Bow Church, Chaseville, the District and Huntington City line from Bow Road.
This train is calling all stations to Canary Wharf via Bow Church. The next station is Bow Church, changing for District, Hammersmith and City Line trains from Bow Road Underground Station and local bus services just outside the station. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. Next station is Bow Church.
Very good announcement.
Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah. Just to say, when we get to we would like to say thank you very much to Andrew Magnus at the end at Canary Wharf for me. Can you do that?
I'll do that just for you, don't worry.
100%. Oh, it's a greater angular service of racing. But we go our own way. What does that line need to do up there? Is that just a disused line?
Yeah, don't get used anymore.
What line was that for?
our time, mates. I want to have a clue.
City lines and local station. In the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. From church. This is Devon's Road.
The other Stratford on the adjacent side.
Till half 11. I lived in Chelmsford.
Oh my God, you're
See you later.
哎，你看，我们2个人吃个咸炒饭是34.9，是35，咱们2个吃1份蒸鱼，1份福建炒饭，1个37。我就吃几口的饭，你的1盆吃不饱。
Stratford service.
你上次那个记得那个鸡翅，就是微微，成为是咱们3个人吃，你都没吃完。
那成人也得休息的。
成人不休息，成人这些吃可以，比我吃的多。成人又不能休息的，你休息了，你晚上是谁晚上仗着谁不休息？ 你不是想吃这个？除了这家也没有别家可以吃，别家你哪吃？
那个3名的。你自己选，你看看来。
Mind the gap, please. This is All Saints.
哪个不用排队吃？
都不用排，今天周4。
Changing customers to bank, tower gateway, vector, and wanted to pass on.
Next station is Poplar. DLR services to Bank and Town Gateway, which changes across the adjacent platform. DLR services to Magnify Custom House, Woolwich Arsenal via London City Airport. Please use the footbridge and cross over to platform number 1. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. The next station is Poplar.
This is Poplar.
Come off next time I get back to top 3. And then I've got 3 hours 20 on Vector Towers. 3 hours, 3 and a half, 3 hours 40, something like that. I know. I like the mental, isn't it? Mental. No, they've changed them. Even the earlies are like that now. Anyway, take it easy. See you later. Customer information, we will be on the move very shortly. Just wait for a train to move on up ahead, and we will be on our way very shortly. Station is West India King, changing for Elizabeth Line services and leaving the train. Please remember to take all your belongings with you. Next station is West India.
This is West India Quay.
last stop, or Canary Wharf.
The next stop is Canary Wharf. This train terminates. Please remember.
Next station is Canary Wharf, where this train terminates. Change here for Jubilee line services, Elizabeth line services, and DLR services to Lewisham via Greenwich on platform number 2. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. Next station is Canary Wharf, where this train terminates. And I just want to say a thank you to Andrew Bakers, who has done a YouTube video of the DLR railway from Stratford to Canary Wharf.
The next stop is Canary Wharf. This train will terminate. All change for London Underground to Jubilee line and the stations
See you
towards
later.
Greenwich.
Cheers, mate.
No worries, mate.
Are you going back?
I'm going back.
Just give me some more horns on the way up.
I'm doing it from the doors now.
Could you quickly give me from the back, quick?
You want to do it from the back? I'm not allowed to go to there now. I've got to do it from the door.
I'll film you go out.
No worries.
From. Take care.
See you later, mate. If you're going to get on, jump on quickly, though.
Yeah, I'll just
Close
say.
the doors.
Yeah, I'll jump back on. Look at guys. Down to Poplar. Now. So make sure you subscribe, like, and subscribe. As always.
Stand clear, mind the closing doors. Train is ready to depart. Stand clear, mind the closed doors. Doors closing.
All clear. As we depart, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in another video.
Next station is West India Quay. Change here for Elizabeth line services. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. Next station is West India Quay.